Hey everybody, back with another lesson. I started watching some of my earlier first videos, and I'm going to go back to the way I used to do it, where I start just playing the songs. That way, I said in, I think it was my very first video, that I'll do that song first, and then if you want to learn it. Simple way of doing it. That's the way I like when I'm looking for videos. But I kind of got away from that, so I'm going to start doing that again. So, this is Rolling Stones, You Can't Always Get What You Want. Good song. It's one of those songs I think would work on anything. It's just such a good song. And I said it before about other bands. I think I actually said this in the Honky Tonk Woman video. I'm not a great Rolling Stone fan, but they have some great songs. I think that's the same for everyone. You know what? You don't have to like every song, but they have some great songs. Anyways, so that's what we're doing today. I forgot to mention, thank you. I did my last videos 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, whatever it was, and I didn't realize that I am over 500 subscribers. And I did my 100th video. I'm at 101 now. This is video 102. Oh, yeah. It's a lot of crap, man. And it was actually good because I go back and I watch them. Because there's a lot of times I learn a song, I do the video, and then I don't play it again. And I go back, oh yeah, I forgot about that one. So anyways, thank you. 528, 29, 30 of you. How many I have now, I'm not sure. But I'm amazed. Oh yeah, let's get into the song. So, you got two chords. Your D and your G. Oh, and an E. There's an E in there as well. And then the D and the G, there's just a couple voicings. Let me have a better angle on this here. I get the fan going too, but I've got... I put something behind the camera to hopefully block the fan noise. So we'll see if that works. So like I said, we got D, open, G, which is your low G. Those are the two chords you use throughout the verses. And then the chorus, you do your D with your second add-on and then your high G. And then you've got your E, which is 1 1 1. You got your bar G, which is 3 3 3. And then you got your high D, since we already got high D, which is 4-3-2. That's it for the chords. So I kept that first part a little bit more basic. I've been playing around with it and throwing in more hammer-ons and little runs into it. But we'll get into that, and then you guys can kind of place those where you want. I kind of place them throughout the verse, and then of course I don't touch them so much. But so the intro, basically I just do the D, G, and all that is. So that's what I do for the intro, and then the song starts. So basically I'm just doing a run up, or slide up, to the second. 1, open to your G. And now, where you can throw in all those is in between all of that. Now you can also get a little bit more complicated on that verse. Instead of doing one slide up, you do it a couple times. That's basically it. That's all the little parts I throw here and there for the verses. Again, this one doesn't quite follow the melody, but it does. It's a song. No, there's no drop, not till the chorus. So it's pretty close. But like I said on all my videos, these are my interpretations of how I like to do it. So, and then when we come to the choruses, we're doing basically the same thing, except we're doing it up high. Except that last one, you just take your pinky off your third and just do open, 1, open. So you do it 3 times, and then you go to the D, or sorry, the E, up to the G, to that high D. So I just started throwing those add-ons in recently. I don't know if it's actually in the song. It's just, I just wanted a little something extra when I was doing it. So it's basically when I do the D, the add-on is on the 4th. So the pinky's on your 4th. On the G, it's on the 5th, and the 4th, you just roll back. And that's it. It's not too difficult a song. You do them a bunch of times. I think the song itself is like 5 minutes long, so just go going back and forth, back and forth. I don't think there was a bridge. Shit. How do I always do this every time? Is there a bridge or is there no bridge? Can't always get. I'm figuring it out. Verse, chorus, instrumental, verse, chorus, instrumental, verse, chorus, break, chorus, verse, chorus, instrumental, outro. No, that's it. Instrumentals, you're doing the exact same thing. Close enough to the same thing that we're not going to worry about it. Yeah, so that's it. That's all I got for this one. We'll see you guys next time. Can't always get what you want. Practice, patience, have fun.